Small apartment? Big design potential. If a space feels cramped, dark, or just a bit outdated, there are ways to turn it around without tearing down walls or spending a fortune. This video is packed with smart, budget-friendly design ideas that make a small home look cleaner, feel bigger, and work better. Stick around till the end. There's something in here for every kind of small space. Good design starts with solving problems. Limited storage? Go vertical. Wall-mounted shelves over the door hooks and under-bed drawers instantly add space without crowding the room. Multifunctional furniture is a game changer. A bed with storage, a fold-out desk, or a dining table that expands only when needed. Light makes everything feel bigger. Use sheer curtains, place mirrors opposite windows, and stick to light-colored walls and furniture. Avoid heavy, dark tones unless they're balanced with enough natural light. Lighting matters too. Add soft, layered lighting instead of relying on a single harsh ceiling bulb. Think floor lamps, wall sconces, even LED strips behind mirrors or shelves. Visual clutter shrinks a space fast. Stick to clean lines, neutral tones, and essential pieces. If it doesn't serve a purpose or spark joy, skip it. Use baskets, hidden storage, and streamlined furniture to keep surfaces clear and the layout open. The goal isn't just to have less stuff, it's to create more breathing room. No need for major renovation. A simple paint job in off-whites or soft grays can refresh the whole mood. Replace cabinet handles, switch out old light fixtures, or create your own wall art. Easy upgrades that cost very little but look polished. Reuse and upcycle where possible. A little sanding, painting, or new fabric can take older furniture from tired to modern. Even in a studio, zoning makes a difference. Use rugs to define areas, place a slim console to divide living and dining, or hang curtains to create a sleeping nook. Clear boundaries make the space feel intentional, not just one big room with furniture scattered around. Once the basics are in place, add personality with textures and accents. Think linen throws, ceramic planters, wooden trays, or one bold wall with framed prints. Keep the palette simple, but don't be afraid to mix matte, glossy, rough, or soft finishes to add depth. These touches make the space feel like home, without adding clutter. A small apartment doesn't need to feel like a compromise. With a few smart changes, it can be functional, stylish, and full of character. No renovation required. If this gave you ideas for your own space, give it a like, share it with someone who needs it, and hit subscribe for more smart design tips that actually work.